seasons in one day, lying in the depths of your imagination, world above the world.
Hi and good morning from northern Germany. We are in, where are we? We are in Nibel, about to get on a train, hopefully, if we can get it, to the island Sylt. From there on we will be taking a ferry to Denmark and then hopefully make our way up further north to Esbjerg. That's the plan of today. I'm looking forward to it. Another long ride, but hopefully, well, with some nice scenic outlooks today. That's our weatherman. What is the weather forecast for today?
Could be nice weather, sunny, blue sky.
Cool. I see some blue sky.
Blue sky.
Right.
It'll just be fine. 5 before tailwind.
That sounds lovely. Yeah, it's a bit damp. Let's put it that way for now. Oh man. See you later. Very busy here on the island Sylt. Well, those statues make sense. It's always very, very windy here, of course, so very funny. I'm all for that. So we've arrived at the island Sylt. Now it's about 20k to the north, and then we'll take a ferry to Denmark, hopefully, if all goes well. It's very windy, and the wind is very, very cold, but at least it's dry for now, and that's good. And after we reach Denmark, we think we'll be heading into strong headwinds again, but well, it should be very interesting because it's all new for us, so let's see what it's like. Well, it's a bit funny. Apparently you can't go down there on the boulevard. You have to pay for it. It's the first time ever. Apparently I inserted this on the route as a point of interest, so I'm quite eager to see what it is. Probably a nice lookout on the sea. We'll see.
Hallo.
Hi.
Gästekarte haben Sie, da brauchen Sie eine.
Bitte?
Gästekarte haben Sie, da brauchen Sie eine.
Nee, brauche ich nicht. Ich will nur ein Foto machen.
Ja, man braucht tatsächlich hier Gästekarte, aber wenn Sie
Wirklich?
wirklich nur ein Foto machen wollen, dann machen wir.
Okay.
Aber bitte nicht das mal in der Gästekarte.
Ah, okay.
Ja, aber ein Foto können Sie nicht.
Gut. Ah, du, danke. We are closing in on List Harbour, Listhaven, where the ferry to Rømø, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, Denmark goes. I'm counting on the fact that we can actually embark. No idea. That would be a bit of a bummer if we can't. But yeah, I think that it should work. So it's another 2 or 3 kilometers and then And then we're in Denmark. Long time since I've been in Denmark, so very excited to see what it's like. Right, see you in a bit. Ah, nice. I hope that air stays away. So, looks a lot
Sun
better.
shines on the black clouds hanging over the domain.
And with that, we are in Denmark. It's raining a little bit-ish. But it looks like we've dodged most of the rain so far, so fingers crossed. We are on a good streak as far as that is concerned. So, all right, let's continue. Come to sunny Denmark. It's a yay. What a nice church. I think it's a church. On our way to mainland Denmark. Could be dry over there.
Smiling as the shit comes down.
Happy days, the sun is back.
What he has to say, everything gets turned around. And I will risk my neck.
Well, it looks like Komoot has let us down a little bit because it directed us to a route that was not accessible. I bet Jon's gone up there to try and see if we can find another way into the route that we want to take. It also would be a very large detour, but he's been away for quite a while now, so I'm going to go and search for him because yeah, we don't want this to be an episode of The Vanishing or something. I think I see him coming, but we'll check it out nonetheless. Alright, see ya.
You can take me where you will. Up the creek and through the
Well, apparently this is part of an official route, so we'll take our chances.
four seasons in one day. Rise up like rain, fills my cup like four seasons in one day. Doesn't pay to make predictions, sleeping on an unmade bed. Finding out wherever there is comfort, there is pain. Only one step away. Like four
Hello.
seasons in
Yeah. Hi. Hello.
like rain, fills my cup like four seasons in one day.
Well, obviously my Danish is non-existing, but I would think this is in commemoration of 19 people that lost their lives during a storm flood in 1923. So it's good that they make a memorial for those people. Oof, long day in the cell, but a fun one. Apart from the headwinds, they're very strong. But what can you do? We just soldier on. So let's see what we can find along the way. See you later. Oh, let's see what this is. Looks like an old bunker. Makes sense. And a piece of art or something. Huh? Funny. idea what this is. In English. Where are you going?
Switzerland.
Switzerland?
Yes.
Really? How long have you been cycling now?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
And then more 2 weeks.
Okay, cool.
And you?
We just started last Thursday from Holland,
Oui.
Groningen, and then we're making our way to the tip of Denmark, Hilshuis, and then he's going back by train, and I'm hopefully going to Norway to cycle for a couple of weeks, so it should be exciting as well. Allez, bon courage. Hey, au revoir. Well, this could be one of the last scenic views of the day. Very, very nice. And I think up there is Esbjerg. So Esbjerg is around 20k to go, but fortunately with a very strong headwind. But well, we can't complain. We only had 30 minutes of rain and we were due so much more. But yeah, that's the way these things go. Tomorrow we'll be cycling further up north. It could be a very, very long stage, 155k. Though I think if we're still facing very strong headwinds, we'll probably shorten it because yeah, that would be a bit too much. But we'll see about it when we get there. But until then, enjoy your ride, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye bye. What a record. Oh wow, I am knackered. Utterly knackered. Ah, look at that. Really? Oh, that must be Esbjerg. Live action. We've got a flat.
Where's the bicycle repairman if you need him?
Yeah.
No! It's Bicycle Repairman! Why? Bicycle Repairman! Thank goodness you've come. Look.
Well, that was a record time repair, under 10 minutes. Now final approach to Esbjerg. Yes, well done. 15k. Well, let's do that. We're running late again, of course. It's 8:06 already, so it's gonna be really late. I hope we can get something to eat. Fingers crossed. All right.
Doesn't pay to make predictions, sleeping on an unmade bed, finding out wherever there is comfort there is pain, only one step away, like 4 seasons in one day. Blood dries up like rain, fills my cup like 4 seasons in one.